I'm giving my little helper the morning off because this parcel here from Verbal Day has just arrived and it contains a whole load of things for him, so I don't want him sticking his nose in just yet. Yeah, this came from a Tag a Friend competition on Instagram, which was brilliant because it meant that both me and a friend got to have 50 quid's worth of kiddie clothes. So let's have a look, shall we? Right, well, we've got boys' trousers, brilliant, apparently indestructible ones. We have a 2-pack of polos, just in time for the summer, and a coat, which I think isn't the one I asked for, but let's have a look. Light blue, or turquoise even. Well, I thought I ordered a blue and orange one, but this one's got the blue gilet inside that comes out, and yeah, still pretty sweet. Cool. Okay, big box this time, but very, very light. I think I know what it is. What do you think it is?
Wow, that's so hard.
Well, quite amazingly, it needs bubble packing for it, when it's in fact a t-shirt. And I am...
Is your Japan one?
Well done, it is a Japan t-shirt. What with it being... Let's not do that, shall we? World Cup season, I'm delighted to have won at least one World Cup competition, and there's hardly anyone on Instagram. It's one run across several platforms, but yeah, it was just a comment and share competition, and here we go. Japan, the away shirt. Fantastic. Thank you. Well, the little man's in a strop. I'm not entirely sure why, so I'm going to open this box on my own. Aha, well, just as well he wasn't here, because this isn't for him, this is for his brother, and that would have got him even crosser. It's a refillable water bottle from the Robinsons promotion on Facebook, where you had to invent a flavour creator. What do you call it? A new flavour of squash, anyway. So yeah, and you got 100 people got to have a water bottle with a name on, and since Billy's just done in his water bottle, boom! This one is for him. Fantastic! That was really quick. I know what this is. Do you?
Open it. Extra sticky tape. What is it? I'm not gonna like it to my house again. What happened? What in the world is this? What in the world is this?
What does it look like?
A football.
Yes. This is a competition that was on Instagram. You had to do a photograph of you doing your best winning face, cheer, whatever you call it. So yeah, another football oriented one, as you might guess from the football, and yeah.
You need to pump it up.
It's a signed Screwfix football. If I'd be surprised, there's a lot of big name England footballers on here. So if they are actually
tell me what their names.
bona fide footballers autographs, then this is incredible because it's got Bobby. It's not nice, is it? So, David Seaman, Stuart Pearce, Paul Ince, and Terry Butcher. Yeah, it's a football. But more tangible. And more useful is the 25 quid Screwfix gift card.
That's
Fantastic.
mine. That's for me.
There is nothing at Screwfix that you want. Okay, one of these. What do you think it is? You can open it for me.
It's opened.
Well, you better rip it then.
Rip. Look. It's a book.
Should we turn it upside down? Would that be easier?
Wow. Hey, what's this book about?
This book is called Ink in My Blood by Neil Haverson. He's a local journalist and he's worked for the local papers for goodness knows how long. 50 years, it says here, 50 years. So yeah, this is one I won from some web competition, and yeah, being a bit of a print nerd, I thought it sounded interesting, and yeah, pretty cool to have won it. So summer reading. Say thank you, Bobby.
Thank you.
Well, this one's just arrived and there are absolutely no clues on it whatsoever as to what it might contain, which means it's a surprise. And I love surprises, so let's have a look. Ah, Hawkins and Brimble. It's a noisy box. This is a gorgeous box, wow. I don't know if you can see the embossing and what have you on there. That is the tip-top box. He says as being a bit of a stationery slash print nerd, this is a lovely looking thing. What it contains is a whole load of male grooming products, that's what they call it, which I won on Instagram the other day. We have, just get them all out and then show you one by one. Well, first of all, there's the beard oil, which is perhaps not so useful for me, but I know someone it is useful for. Second of all is shaving cream, which is very useful. And an old school brush, which is just handsome as hell. Pre-shave scrub. And aftershave balm, which is fantastic. For sensitive skin, that's me all over. I'm going to smell lovely. Brilliant. Small one today. Should we have a look?
Oh, look.
Are you going to open it for me?
Yeah.
And tear it just here. What do you think it is?
An envelope.
It is an envelope, yeah.
What is it?
Oh, it's not what I thought it was.
You want something too. Medicine.
Brightening vitamin C serum. It's a little,
Medicine.
what do you call it? It's a sample of serum from the Gorgeous shop. So enjoy the sample. Let us know your thoughts. Fantastic. Now this one's just popped through the door. Any guesses what it is? You want to poke it? What do you think it is?
Clothes.
Clothes. Okay. Shall we just? I'll start it off for you.
No, I can open it.
It'll probably be easier if I start it off for you.
Oh, I can put my hand in here. Ah, nothing's in it.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That would be the most disappointing parcel ever.
Oh, I was right. It was clothes. Hey, is that for me?
I'm afraid it isn't.
Why?
This is the second part of my Hawkins and Brimble prize. This is really la-di-da for a la-di-da chap like me. It's swimming trunks, swimming shorts, rather than trunks. I'm not really much of a Speedos guy. But there we go. How dandy are they? How dandy am I going to look paddling in the Lido? See? What colour is it?
Pink and blue and white.
Yeah. Are they awesome? I'll not do a turn for you right now.
Who?
Just noticed they come with a handy little carry pouch as well. So yeah, check out these guys. They don't have many pairs of swim shorts, but what they do have is they are really la-di-da. Just like me.
What's a la-di-da?
What's la-di-da?
Yeah.
Look at me. La-di-da. Well, I can't remember what this is, but obviously I can see who it's from, so well, let's have a look. Oh, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. Obviously it's not for me, this one's for my wife. I don't even understand what this stuff means, but it's mascara-y stuff. And a lip plumper. And she's going to be well chuffed to have these. Fantastic. This July I've done uncharacteristically well, but this piece that I'm about to unwrap is looking particularly exciting. Right, don't know if you can see that or make head or tail of that. It's an internet radio, so I can now listen to 1980s Japanese hip hop and whatever's fresh in Jamaican dancehall in the luxury of my kitchen. So that's absolutely fantastic. This was from, say, Hammer, and yeah, nice little Instagram competition there. Just tag a chum. Well happy.